Hello everybody, I'm Jason from Flow Machine. Today we will show you our video of a FL410. This is one type automatic interlocking block machine. This part, crusher, we will put the big soil here and it can crush into the smaller soil powder. And through the conveyor belt, it will convey the materials to the soil feeder. The soil feeder will choose the right soil and put the stone away. And through this conveyor belt, the material will come to the mixer. We will mix the material here more even and put some water into it. Okay. After the mixer mix the materials ready, it will transfer through the belt, transfer to the host machine. This is one type hydraulic interlocking block machine. This is two hydraulic cylinders, and it would give the power to the machine so the surface of the block will with very good surface and with very good density. By press the automatic menu on the PLC controller, it can work automatically. This is one hydraulic interlocking block machine. The two hydraulic cylinders here, it can make all pieces block at one time. And by adjusting the mold, it can make different shape of block, like the U shape and the half bricks and the half blocks.